Well, Delyth, another incredible, memorable afternoon. Huge congratulations.
Thank you. It's just unbelievable. We put in such a graft today, and fair play, but a very absolutely fantastic team, best team we've played all season. And we were defending most of the game, but it just shows the way football is. You need one chance and you take it. You get the game, you get the win.
You need one chance and take it, but you also have to make some remarkable saves, and you certainly did that this afternoon.
Yeah, the one at the end, I had no idea that was so close to the end. I didn't realise just how important it was. It's just, I don't know, I have no words. It's just amazing. Everything's amazing.
The last couple of minutes there, though, I mean, the heart rate was up. There was shouting and screaming going on behind us. What was going through your mind at that time?
Oh, I can't explain it. We're there, we're defending like hell. They're on top of us, and it's very close. It's very nerve-wracking. But I think this whole game, especially those last few minutes, sum us up. How we are as a team, how hard we work together as a team. We could bring it together when we need to get the result, and it's about another North Walian team finally in the Premier League. So
yeah, absolutely, up to the Adrian Premier for next season. The promotion is a special occasion today.
Yeah, absolutely. It's everything we've been working for the past 2 years, really. We missed out on the last day last year for the league. We blitzed the league this year, and we fully deserve this.
Oh, we've got one or two coming to join us now, but yeah. I will let you go and enjoy the celebrations. Diolch yn fawr iawn.